Hi everyone, I'm Ankur, a Teamcenter architect at SIS. Today I want to talk about Teamcenter Share, a cloud-based collaboration solution that works seamlessly with Teamcenter and integrates directly with NX and Solid Edge. Let's walk through how Teamcenter Share works in practice, from importing NX and Solid Edge data to collaborating on designs in real time. What is Teamcenter Share? Teamcenter Share is a cloud-based collaboration platform accessible via web browser and mobile devices, enables real-time collaboration on design and engineering data, designed to allow users to share files securely, track changes, manage tasks, collaborate across teams and organizations, provides secure and flexible project collaborations. Some core capabilities of Teamcenter Share include collaboration and file management, which includes it has a secure file sharing with controlled access, real-time updates across teams, version awareness throughout synchronized files, supports documents such as PDF, Word, and CAD data, visualization and design review. Integrated 3D visualizations include rotate, zoom, pan, cut planes, internal part inspection, measurement tools such as point-to-point measurements, unit conversions in inches, millimeters, centimeters, and meters, work-up capabilities that include freehand drawings, circles, rectangles, product structure, navigation, expand assemblies, hide and unhide components. Integration with Siemens ecosystem. Teamcenter Share integrates the multiple Siemens solutions, including Teamcenter, Active Workspace, NX, Solid Edge, and SimCenter. This integration enables concurrent design, cloud-based review, and controlled handoff back into Teamcenter. Management and configuration. Admin console overview. You get dedicated admin console URL, separate from the user interface. Manages using Siemens credentials. Displays, you'll see purchase products, memory consumption, expiration dates, deployment region. Along with specific admin tools. You get product configurator, identity providers, bulk user import, authentication configuration, system monitoring. Along with user and role management, you get to have create, edit, and manage users. You assign roles and permissions. Users appear as pending until first login. The ability to assign users to products, promote users to admin roles. Admins receive email notifications upon assignment. Moving along to project sharing and access control. In project management, you're able to create projects within name, description, due date, upload files, or organize content using subfolders. Assign project thumbnails using CAD components or assemblies, along with sharing and permissions. Sharing projects internally and externally, external users can be restricted to project-only access, which gives access levels include reviewing, downloading, owner, full access, the ability to stop sharing at any time, email notifications sent out upon project sharing. Coming to task management and dashboards. TeamShare allows you to create tasks within the projects. Task attributes include priority, due date, status, assigned users. Tasks appear in the interactive dashboard. Automatic email notifications sent to assignees enables responsibility tracking and project visibility. Connector applications. File synchronizations, what the connector does, It's a desktop file synchronization tool that keeps local files synchronized within cloud storage, works online and offline, automatically syncs changes when reconnected. The main key features for this tool is it creates home folders, project folders, deep integration with Windows File Explorer, custom icons, metadata visualizability, background service with system tray controls, sync now, go office, go online, sync pending, project selection for sync. Now coming into specific tools, CAD integration and offline workflows. Files can be opened directly from connector folder in NX Solid Edge. Design changes saved locally are automatically synchronized to Teamcenter Share, immediately visible to collaborators, supports offline design work with later synchronization. Also, Teamcenter plus Active Workspace use. Concurrent design workflow, Teamcenter Share integrates with Teamcenter via client ID, client secret, server-side deployment. Parts can be sent from Teamcenter to Teamcenter Share. We also have Project Owner. It creates markups, adds notes, assigns tasks to designers or manufacturers. Designers, they can open parts directly in Solid Edge from the cloud. They can implement changes, mark tasks complete. Notifications sent automatically upon task completion. Owners can review changes in Teamcenter Share before updating Teamcenter. Along with data exchange, Teamcenter supports replacing components using Teamcenter Share, imports CAD parts, and imports general documents in PDF and Word documents. Integration with NX. Embedded authoring experience. Teamcenter Share is accessible directly from within NX when the appropriate license and configurations are enabled. Designers can therefore open parts and assemblies directly from Teamcenter Share, modifying designs locally, able to save changes back to Teamcenter Share automatically. Controlled access module gives NX users do not require full Teamcenter authoring access to collaborate. Shared data is isolated to specific projects, governed by share level permissions where they can review, edit, download, owner. Core Teamcenter remains the system of record. Design, review, and feedback. Markups created in Teamcenter Share are visible to NX users, linked to tasks and comments, enables faster feedback loops without unlocking Teamcenter workflows prematurely. Moving to integration with Solid Edge. Embedded in cloud collaboration, Solid Edge provides embedded Teamcenter Share access with a SaaS license. Designers can, therefore, browse Teamcenter Share projects, open CAD files directly from the cloud, save changes back without manual uploads, task-driven design changes. Project owners can create tasks tied to specific design changes, attach markups and comments. Designers can receive email notifications, open files directly in Solid Edge, complete tasks and trigger automated notifications. Governance advantage. External suppliers or manufacturers can access only assigned projects, modify files without visibility into broader Teamcenter structures, reduces risk while embedding parallel design work. I want to discuss integration with SimCenter. Simulation collaboration enablement allows you to have simulation data, modules, results, supporting documents which can be stored in Teamcenter Share, shared securely with analysts and reviewers, enables collaboration across design, simulation, manufacturing, external partners, controlled simulation reviews. Stakeholders can review simulation outputs, annotate results, add comments and markups, separations of concern leading to experimental or exploratory simulation, Work can occur in Teamcenter Share. Only validated results are promoted back into Teamcenter. Supports design, maturity, and release governance. This concludes the presentation on Teamcenter Share. Thank you for spending time with me today. On behalf of SIS, we are looking forward to working with you. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this demo.